I purchased a Harbor Freight welding table, and what I really like about this table is that you can fold it up and set it up against the wall or hang it up on the wall and get it out of your way when you're not using it.
There's not a lot of parts to this, but a couple of the swivel plates, a bag with all the bolts and a few other plastic parts, an instruction booklet. Who needs instructions, right? This looks like one of the legs. Another one. Hopefully all the parts are here. I guess we'll soon find out. The framework, and then the top. Oh, and the side plates are on the top as well. They're not bolted on, they're just sitting there.
I did not have to drill anything to get any holes to line up. Everything lined up. Overall, the assembly was good. Now these 4 bolts right here, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. When you tighten those down, don't tighten them down gorilla tight, and you will have a folding table. To fold it up, you just fold that, then the back leg and the front leg also fold. So you can make the table that wide, but you just pull the legs out when you're setting it up, set the table, and tighten the clamps wherever you want it, if you want it level or if you want it angled. You should be good to go. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.